Marose Mobile Detailing. Beauty is in the detail. We all know having a clean car in the fall and winter may feel impossible, especially between the cold temperatures, snow and ice, and also the salt, sand, and used to fight the icy roadways. Let's not forget the slush and snow that you and your passengers also bringing into your car. With all this said, with some proper planning and dedication, you can maintain a clean car during fall and winter. In this video, we're just going to present 5 plans you can implement to keep your car clean during the fall and winter. Plan 1 is what we call the floor plan. We're using floor mats in your car to prevent the snow, salt, and sand buildup in the carpet. Mainly using rubberized floor mats like the WeatherTech, which is more popularly known floor mat. But also floor mats that have deep roofs, which offers space for elements such as snow, salt, and sand to deposit in those grooves, and that also makes it very easier for you when you're cleaning it up. If you're gonna use a pressure washer to clean those mats, or you're gonna use any regular hose, or just brush it off. So and one good trick with floor plan is that while you do have the rubberized floor mats, you also want to, if you can, create a barrier between the carpet and the rubberized mat. So what I mean, just put a layer of towel between the rubberized mats and your carpet. So that also creates essentially creates a barrier, right? Instead of those debris, if they do for some reason in some areas of the floor mats that they get through, they won't go to the carpet. Plan 2, trash removal plan. Clean your car starts in the inside. So it's important that you create a routine where you are constantly removing any rubbishes such as food containers, papers, and bags that are littering the interior of your car. Removing the trash from your car helps to prevent buildup of accumulation of unnecessary items in the vehicle, and it makes it cluttered. This is especially more important in the winter with the combination of the slush and sludge from the outside the road. You don't want that to be mixing with if you have debris on the floor and it gets caked in on that. It just makes it very difficult to clean up. So just making sure that you remove any trash from your car, especially on the floor. Plan 3, vacuum plan. So essentially vacuuming the interior often, if not regularly, is even more important. And I say this for a lot of other steps to vacuum during the fall and winter. This helps to prevent the dirt from getting into trapped and saturated into the floors and possibly the upholstery, which may present itself to be difficult during the winter. But it shouldn't matter what type of vacuum that you're using, whether you're using the vacuum at the car wash or the gas station vacuum, or shop vac, what is important that is you vacuum often. And if you don't have a vacuum, just get a brush and park and just use that, a hand brush, right? And also when you vacuum, don't forget to vacuum some of the hard to reach places like under the floor mats, under your seats, lot of nooks and crannies that, like I said, are hard to reach. Those are also very important because you don't want that to accumulate and build up, and then makes it harder to get rid of. So that's pretty much it with the vacuum plan. It's quite simple. Plan 4, wipe down plan. So the dashboard, windows, consoles, leather seats should get wiped down to clean and sanitize those surfaces. Um, Cold and dry winter can pull moisture from the leather and vinyl, which may promote cracking of those surfaces. Um, so it's very important not only to clean your leather and vinyl surfaces, but you also need to condition those leather and vinyl surfaces. So we have what we call a LVP cleaner, leather vinyl cleaner, so leather vinyl plastic cleaner, and then you have an LVP conditioner, leather vinyl conditioner, which also conditions the surfaces after cleaning them. And you can find those items at your local automotive store, and then you able to utilize those. So like I said, it's very important to condition the leather, vinyl, plastics after cleaning them. This helps prevent cracking and fading of those surfaces, especially during the winter. Plan 5, keep out plan. Last but not least, avoid bringing slush into your from the outside of the car into the inside of the car from the get-go. So create a plan where you separate maybe the shoes that you're wearing outside from the shoes that you're gonna wear inside. So have a spare clean shoe, driving shoe that you can keep in your car, and make that exchange before you get in the vehicle, so to prevent bringing in those elements, outside elements, into your vehicle. And this helps you as far as the other steps I talked about, not having to have a lot of things to vacuum or have a lot of debris or necessary rubbish in your car. If you can't, for other reasons, have a spare shoe, then just try to brush debris off your shoe before you get into your vehicle. Right? Try to get the sand, the salts, the snow, off your shoe before you actually get in your car. Then we have a bonus plan. So I know we focused on a lot of these plans are focused on the interior of the vehicle, but also keeping a clean exterior of your vehicle is very important in the total look of your vehicle. How you present your vehicle, how you present yourself. What they say, don't judge a book by its cover, but we know human nature that we do judge things by the way they appear. So if you're the type of person who like to, present yourself, the items in a very clean manner, then you want to make sure you also have a vehicle exterior that is clean. And this is also very important for certain areas of your exterior of the vehicle, like the wheels and tires, mainly for the longevity of your brakes. It's always very important to remove the salt, the sand, and the brake dust that builds up throughout time as you drive on the road, and those elements on the surfaces of the road and getting collected by the wheels and tires. So getting rid of those items off the vehicle helps prolong the life of your brake. Stay tuned. Follow us on Instagram. Visit our website, www.morosemobiledetailing.com. Morose Mobile Detailing. Beauty is in the details.